feel very, very humble to have you in our presence. You know, our goals and objectives in the Yoruba remain the same. We try to create a community of Yoruba people living in Stockholm and nearby cities. Like people coming from Uppsala, they are here today, they are our members. We have members, investors, in shopping, and we have spread our wings as far as places like Skellefteå in the north. We have members being represented there. We go by the name Stockholm, but we actually try to represent Yorubas in Sweden as much as we can. We try to unite Yorubas in all of these places. We try to establish and create a sense of belonging for ourselves and for our families. We try as much as possible to create an environment of atmosphere of togetherness, to always remind ourselves of who we are, Yorubas. We help one another a lot. These are part of our goals and objectives. We look into our welfare, into our accommodation, our work, and we try to network as much as we can within the group and to other people outside the group. We do a lot of things to help us achieve these goals. We have regular meetings. I can say we probably hold the Swedish records for numbers of meetings held in our association. We meet every Monday. We meet almost every Sunday as well. And we have short notices meeting that can take place between these days that I mentioned. So it's a very wonderful thing to be able to have like 4, 5, 6 meetings every month. I think that's unprecedented in Sweden. So I'm very proud to be one of this association. We have a lot of gatherings that we do organize, to help us achieve our objectives. In general, the popularity of the Yoruba, continues to grow in Sweden and worldwide. We can see from our public profiles, Facebook, YouTube, and our website, the traffic that comes to us. So we know that we're growing in popularity as well. Last year, as soon as we finished the Yoruba celebration, we got an email from one of us who is a director in one of the departments at Cambridge University in the UK. He was very, very, very happy with what we've done. And he sent us an email, which I have on my address, but I will not want to read that. But it was like, oh, wonderful, good. I think I should keep it up promoting Yoruba culture. There is something I did last year, which I'm going to repeat as well this year. A tree does not make a forest. I'm the leader or the coordinator of this group, but I have very, very wonderful people who work with me. So in a short while, you're going to meet the executives of this association. But before I call the executives, I just want to acknowledge some of our members. If I can try and, probably go around them. Where is Samuel Ayola? Can you just wave to these people? Samuel Ayola. These are our wonderful Yoruba Union members. Samuel Ayola is one of us. He's a member, a very strong member of this union. He lives in Uppsala. He comes to the meeting on Mondays. He comes to the meetings on Sundays. We appreciate you, Samuel. Do I have Oluwasomi in the house? That's him. A very, very loving brother. We love you and we like that you're a member of this union. Thank you very much. Do I have Olari Waju? Please can you wave to the house? These are our members that are contributing to our successes and to everything we're doing today. Where's Bayo, Mr. Anifowoshi? Can you wave to this house? That's Bayo for you. Do I have Sherif sitting somewhere? Sherif, that's Sherif. Now I'm going to take it more quickly. Adeola, where are you? God bless, where is it? That's Adeola, my sick. John Sam, Mr. Sam, where is James? That's John Sam. Ibubu, are you seated in the house? Thank you very much. You're on your way out. Go to that. We have Christine. Where are you, Christine? That's Christine. That's Christine Samuel Ayola's wife, all the way from Uppsala. Auntie Yabo is probably in the kitchen. You all know her. Frida, even though we don't see you at all our meetings, sometimes you're there with us. Can you stand up and people identify? Frida is one of us. Thank you very much. Gabriel, where are you? Just wave to the house. Thank you, Gabriel. Ayo, Shobo, where are you? You can't miss that guy, the long man, the tall man. If I haven't called your name, can you just stand up and identify yourself as a member of this union and wave to the house? Yoruba Union members, am I minus the executive. Deji, can you please show your face in the house? The tax collector for today. That's Deji. We have Taiwo there. Olasudomi. Thank you. My able executives, the people who brought you together, who make this association run every day. I would like to introduce Sister Lydia Akiwale, our social secretary. Please, can you join me here? I don't want to stand alone. I can't do this by myself. Sister Lydia Akiwale is one of us. Come on, stay with me here, please. We're going to finish this speech together. It's a long one, sorry. Fumile Yadenuga, please, can you join me? Quickly. Let's make this quick now. Come up stage. He's our treasurer. Abiola Amos P.R.O., can you join me quickly? Ibrahim Olifade, where are you? Debo Fashe. Our music director, you must join us on stage. Where is he? Larry? Yes, you are automatically an escort. You direct our music. You're going to be helping us. The afternoon as well. Every member of this union is important. Where is the Alaje? Where is she? Can you stand up and let people see you? She came to this occasion today all the way from Yotebori. That's how strong our membership is. Our members, even if they leave us to go to another, they come back to join us. If you're from non shopping, can you wave to the house? Non shopping. Non shopping. Look at them. Look at them. You're welcome to this gathering. Thank you very much. So these are the people that make today possible, the members, the executive. Look at the program, relax, the day is unfolding. We are here to enjoy ourselves, to dance, to sing, to have a good time with the food. We want you to dance. We have lots of dance on the program. Please utilize that. I'm going to end my speech and I'm going to make a promise that tonight is going to be a good night. Yeah, while the president was talking, I would like to represent the presence of the president of Nigerian Union, Mr. Emele and his entourage. Could you please move to the high table, sir? You're welcome, sir.
We also have Mr. Agali also in the house. Can you please?
Cover everybody. Cover everybody. So, from my throat, why they can't anybody stand? Okay. Why they can't come for so you image in official news and after the cultural dance. Okay. So why they can't anybody go for looking in my some pay can draw by because I want to join here. I want to go on the face. Right. Oh yeah. So